Want to ride viral trends without creating content from scratch? What if I tell you, you can use other people's viral reels and turn them into your own growth machine? Yes, I'm talking about Facebook Reels Remix feature. Today, I'll show you exactly how to remix any reel and use it to boost views, engagement, and followers fast. Hey creators, welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where we turn simple Facebook features into powerful growth tools. Top creators use Remix to jump on trending content, collaborate without permission issues, get discovered faster, increase algorithm exposure. Now let's break it down step by step. Step-by-step remix process. Step 1. Open Facebook Reels. Open the Facebook app. Tap on the Reels icon at the bottom. Now scroll and find the reel you want to remix. Step 2. Select the reel. Choose a reel that is trending, high engagement, relevant to your niche. This increases your viral potential instantly. Step 3. Open Remix option. Tap the three-dot menu on the reel. Now press Remix this reel. Boom. Your remix screen is now ready. Before we start, if you want more Reels growth hacks, viral content strategies, and monetization tips, subscribe to Preyo Phonie and turn Facebook into your content growth engine. Step 4. Record your remix. Now you can. Long press to start recording. Switch between front and back camera. Add reaction, explanation, or creative response. Create engaging content that adds value, not just copies. Step 5. Finish recording and upload. Once recording is done, tap Share Now, and your remix reel will be uploaded instantly. Now your video is connected with the original viral reel, which increases reach and discoverability automatically. Why Remix works? Algorithm advantage? Remix helps because Facebook pushes remix content to both audiences, higher engagement signals, trend-based discovery boost, faster follower growth, more comments and shares. This is why top creators use Remix daily. Pro creator tips. Choose trending reels only. Add reaction plus explanation plus emotion. Keep your hook strong in first 2 seconds. Use captions for retention. Add hashtags related to the original reel topic. Now you know how to remix Facebook Reels. Use viral content for growth. Boost reach and engagement. Build your audience faster. Remember, you don't need to create everything from zero. Smart creators remix trends and dominate reach. If this tutorial helped you, like, share, subscribe to Preyo Phonie, because here, we don't just post content. We use smart growth strategies that actually work. See you in the next powerful Facebook Reels tutorial.